Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel Easy Recipe of Donor. Today's recipe is Aloo Batichachori. It is very common and authentic dish of Bengal. Generally it is easy to cook, but in my video I will show you how to cook it more conveniently in microwave. In this dish, required ingredients are also very easy available in home. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more easy recipes, notifications, like and comment on my video. 2 green chilies, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 4 medium-sized potatoes are required. Mustard oil and salt are also required. Add diced potato in microwave safe bowl. Other general bowls can be broken in microwave. Add vertically sliced onion, and tomato. Tomato gives mild sour taste in this dish. Add 1½ teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Add 3 tablespoons of mustard oil. Mustard oil enhances the taste of batichachori. Mixing it well. Add 1 cup of water for boiling the potato. Two seeded green chilies. I will add more water for making more gravy. Now microwave it for 10 minutes. As per my point of view, microwave cooking is more convenient and quick and hassle-free also. Now it is ready to serve. It can be served with rice, luchi, paratha. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel.